If you're going to buy vote in Imo State, which one are you going to buy the vote with? The one you didn't pay pension.
Population is not a problem.
All the candidates have vowed that whoever takes it, that they are going to be together to support them.
But if you also see the number of our school leavers who are unable to secure jobs because they are unemployable, because of the quality of education they get. In the United States, once they hear that a Japanese plant or a Chinese plant wants to come to the US, you see the governors all jetting out to go and lobby for it to come to their state. What do they get? Job creation, taxes. And now what do they give in return? They give incentives to these companies. This is what we're going to do in Imo State.